agriculture and space, if you say those two words to someone, they might be thinking about growing a new strand of wheat in zero gravity or terraforming Mars or something. Do people need to kind of reorient on the fact that, no, actually what we're doing is we're using satellites to look at agriculture on Earth, the most important planet that we know?
I do, of course, often get a question about, can we grow food on the moon? I think there is some element of surprise for people initially when they hear NASA and agriculture. But I think as this area and field really are growing very rapidly, there's more and more familiarity with this, and it makes more sense to people. We use a lot of different kinds of satellites, both in the public sector and in the private sector. I think today there are around 1,000, maybe a little bit over 1,000 Earth observing satellites that are orbiting the Earth all the time, taking a lot of imagery. We've seen a really rapid increase in satellites in the last few years. Like you might have heard of a company called Planet, for example, or others that are working together in synchronous to ultimately enable us to have more frequent observations of the same spot all the time. And so what satellites can do is they can see kind of in the same wavelengths that you and I see in the visible range of the electromagnetic spectrum, but they can also see in a lot of other wavelengths. And so we can see also a lot more at one time or monitor essentially the entire Earth every day.